afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here in downtown Rockingham at Nana's Coffee Shop, and also Carolina Scoops is behind us. This Friday night, they will have an open mic that will start at 6 p.m. You're welcome to come down, test out your musical talents, and enjoy Friday night in beautiful downtown Rockingham. Tonight, also in downtown Rockingham, the Plaza Jam series returns with the entertainers. Come downtown starting at 6:30 until 8:30. Bring a chair or a blanket and join us on the lawn of Cole Plaza. And vets will be on site, and also Kona Ice will have your supper and dessert. Also tonight in Hamlet at Axe to Grind, Hamlet's Got Talent will have a redemption and wild cards night. Today kicks off the July market days for Willow Tree and Company here in downtown Rockingham. And tomorrow, Friday, will be day one of the Summer Track and Beachfest at Rockingham Dragway. That will end on Saturday, July the 8th. At Coleman's Creek in Ellerby, they will have night shooting both Friday and Saturday night. And on Saturday, they will have an Intro to Night Thermals class. You can find out more information about that class and other classes coming up at Coleman's Creek on their website and also Facebook page. In addition to Summer Track and Beachfest that will be at Rockingham Dragway Friday and Saturday, they will have an open test and tune day on Sunday. You can find out more information about both events on their website, rockinghamdragway.com, and also on Facebook and Instagram. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Facebook and Instagram and Twitter pages. We hope to see you around town this weekend. If not, we will definitely see you next week.